बरें दिसता म्हाका की साळगांवकर इंस्टिट्यूटाक रिसोर्स पर्सन म्हणून आपयला आनी सगळे भुरगे उमेदीन काम करता आनी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा प्रिंसिपल सराक आनी तेंच्या सगळ्या स्टाफाक की कावी आर्टाक लागून ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली म्हणून आनी एक आमचे गोंयचे आर्ट आसा तें इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर पावोवपाचो तेंचोय एक हातभार आसा म्हणून.
कावी आर्ट जी आसा न्ही ती आतां गोंयांत चडशे तेची जायना. तुमी एक कावी आर्ट मुखार व्हरपाक सोदता आनी भुरग्यांक बी शिकोवपाक सोदता. सो वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू से?
एक्चुली कशें आसा कावी आर्ट हें गोंयच्यानूच हें जालां. तेजें जन्म गोंयच्यानूच जाला पूण आतांचो टायम असो येयला की गोंयकारूच ते कावी आर्टाक विसरल्यात पूण आतां टायम असो येयला की परत रिबर्थ जाल्लो आसा कावी आर्टाचो आनी सगळ्याक तेजो वावूय आमकां वाव पळोवपाक मेळटा. देवा कृपेन तें म्हाका तेजो एक फुडारी म्हणून तांबडे मातयेन नेमलो असो हांव म्हणटा आनी प्रत्येक भुरग्याक आनी प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक हांव गोंयकारा कडेन पावोवपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसा.
हाव यू इन्स्पायर्ड टू टेक दीस
सो म्हाका दिसता आमची गोंयची संस्कृती आसा पळय न्ही ती खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आनी म्हाका दिसता तेच संस्कृतीचे आनी नेचर आसा पळय न्ही निसर्गाचें म्हाका खूब इन्स्पिरेशन मेळ्ळां आनी तेका लागूनच हांव आमची संस्कृती फुडें व्हरपाक सोदतां थ्रू कावी आर्ट.
Since we have students from all over India, it is important for them to know something about the art form which is from Goa. So this art form originally from Goa and then it went on to the other states like Karnataka and in Maharashtra. And Goa government is in the process of applying for the GI tag. Hopefully we get it. And just because they are practicing our art doesn't mean that belongs to them. It belongs to the Goan. Yes, am I right? Yeah. And if you go to Ponda, if you look at the buildings and temples, you find this kind of an art very much there. We have Mr. Saha with us. He's a Kaavi artist, and this course is an add-on course. It is going to be conducted for the next 5 days, and mostly all first-year students are here. And at the end of the 5-day, they will make something. They will present it. And Kaavi art is the oldest form of art. Basically, it is found in the Konkani region, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Even before the Portuguese came to Goa, this art form was there. If you go to temples and very old architectural houses, you find this kind of art on the wall, sometimes on the window frame, sometimes on the door. So this is again to bring it to our students. This is an art which is existing, and also to give an idea so they appreciate. And Kaavi means is the pink, red color, red soil, and so that is why it is known as the Kaavi art. And mixture is with the lime from the shells and jaggery and many other things. They mix it well. It is a very difficult process, and the fermentation takes place. Finally, they make a nice powder. Yes, they hand pound and make a powder, and they use it as this base for the paintings. Yes.
Since we had to do art based on Goa, so what I felt is the waves are based on the beaches of Goa. The flowers are the Madagascar periwinkle, which is Sadaf. I grew up seeing.
Hello everyone, this is my artwork. It's Mandela, and it is a teamwork among all of you.
That is Natasha.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.